Hello and welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Valentine's Day is round the corner and love is in the air. Handmade is the most romantic and personal way to tell someone you love them. There is nothing more satisfying than creating a special, unique gift for your loved ones. Or you can gift yourself relaxing time to fall in love with colors by creating this therapeutic, stunning, low polygonal art masterpiece. If you like the step-by-step tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. Let's get started. These are the materials we need. Flat brush, 8x10 canvas board, acrylic colors. I have taken the reference of internet to create this stilettos and added polygon mesh of 3D triangles inside it. We are going to use acrylic color pink. Its number is 18. Then we are going to use tint and shades of pink. Tint is a mixture of color with white, which increases lightness, and shade is a mixture with black, which increases darkness. Firstly, I have added lots of white to get the lightest tint of pink. We are going to use this lightest tint of pink at various places in our art. You can use colors of your choice following the same tint and shade. Low poly art is more popular in the digital world. You can create it using Photoshop, Procreate or any other app which supports poly art. So like this you can customize any of your photograph or reference pic into a poly art image and then trace it or make it yourself. Basically, the main purpose of creating this art is to have some peaceful fun time with ourselves. Just put on the music in background and enjoy this art. Next, I have taken a little darker tint of pink by adding less white to it, and we have to again start filling the triangles. While filling the triangles, we have to be very careful that the color does not come out from the borders. So keep your brush towards the border, and if need arises, turn your canvas so that you get a crisp border. For this artwork to look 3D and beautiful, all the triangles need to have proper edges, and that is the beauty which makes it highly therapeutic. Your mind cannot wander here and there. You need to concentrate to get it correct. Now again I am using another tint of pink with a little less white. So you can see there is a bit of difference in the pink that I used previously and the pink that I am using right now. So with just a bit of change in the mixing of colors, we can get lots of shades and tints of pink. It's a monochromatic painting where everything will be in the shades and tints of pink only. Pink is a feminine color and a color of love. This is the best gift you can give to the females in your life. It can be your mother, your wife, your daughter, your girlfriend, your granny, your co-workers, your boss. Basically any female who is special in your life. And if you are yourself a woman, then no words. You can gift it to yourself too, because you also deserve to be loved and gifted a piece of art created by you. While I was creating this art, I was on high vibes, feeling totally positive, calm, and peaceful. It was like therapy for my mind. It art any day for me is a meditation for which I don't have to fight. It's like something which is automatic. I don't have to struggle to feel that flow state. I hope you guys will also enjoy this time as much as I did. Keep using the tip of your flat brush and shifting your canvas up and down. That's how I am comfortable. You have to find how you are comfortable. If you are comfortable without shifting, that's fine. If you are not comfortable, then you should try shifting and getting the angles right. It's very, very important. Again and again, I'm emphasizing on the fact that all these triangles need to have perfect crisp edge for it to look 3D. So do concentrate, do focus, and give your best. I hope you guys are enjoying this therapeutic art. Now I have taken white color to fill few triangles, which will give it a little shiny look. Next, I have taken a shade of pink by adding a little purple to it. I don't wanted to add, but wanted this little girlish color. So just added my own twist to it and didn't add thoroughly black, but a little bit of purple to it. Now again you have to go and keep on filling the triangles. It is a little bit time consuming art, but trust me, you won't regret using this time to create this stunning piece of art. Now I have created the shade of pink with black color by adding a very tiny black at the tip of your brush and mixing it with your pink. Don't take too much, otherwise it will become black, and we don't want that to happen. So just take a very tiny bit on the tip of your brush and mix it with your pink. Do a little bit with trial and error of mixing pink and black to get the perfect shade. Tada! Our painting is ready. Isn't this stunningly beautiful, guys? It's an amazing gift you can create for yourself or for your loved ones. If you recreate this art, don't forget to tag us at Artistic Therapy Zone on Instagram. We'll be happy to share it on our story. This Valentine's Day, show some love, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, love you all. Art you all. Bye bye. See ya.